With the calendar export option on the JPS website, you can easily select and export events for a range of dates to your calendar app or program. From the district homepage, click the district calendar icon located in the main menu bar at the top of the screen. The district calendar page displays in month view by default with the current date selected. Above the calendar, you'll see a set of calendar options tools that allow you to set up an iCal feed, print your calendar, or export your calendar. Click the Export tool, then you'll be able to select a date range. Click the calendar icon, click your start date, use the right arrow to advance through the calendar 1 month at a time, then click your end date. Then click Export. Depending on your browser, you may be asked to save the iCalendar file, or the file may automatically save to your Downloads folder. When you open the file, it will display these events in your installed calendar app or program. And that's how you use the export feature on the Jackson Public Schools website powered by Blackboard.